Hey all my physics, welcome back to my channel. This is Anand and you're watching Physics Quiz. जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं, this is the second video of this series and today we are having Satish Kannan with us. So I'll request Satish to please join us.
Hi everyone. Hi Anand. Okay, so I'm Satish Kannan. I completed my BSc from Madras Christian College, mm, from Madras University. I got rank 152 in JAM and 94 in JEST.
So guys, due to some network issues, Satish won't be able to switch on his video, but he is connected with us, and I'm gonna start questioning your questions to Satish, and let's see what he has for us. So Satish, the first question I would like to ask from you: did you join any coaching for your preparation, or did you get any help from coaching?
Anand, I never joined any coaching center. Like I prepared everything on my own, and my friends were there. Like I was talking to my friends and everybody. Uh, that's it. I'd never joined any coaching center.
Okay, that's great. So, did you join any test series for your performance, like checking your performance or something?
I didn't join any test series, but I always thought it would be great to join this test series because you can evaluate yourself and
Mhm.
you can know your weakness and strength, and you can work on your weakness and you can improve on that. First, I want to say that I only solved that previous year questions from JAM, just and TFR admission test. I never solved anything else. The only
So,
book I followed was JAM Physics by Samvedana publication.
so my question is like, do you prefer Samvedna publication for current aspirants for their revision part?
I think it is a good book because I never seen any book like which has questions in this type, like topic wise. What are, many books? What they will do is they will just give like 2017 jam question paper. Then they will write all the answers, and they will go to 2018. I think in that way we will not be like will not be very comfortable. I think by topic wise it can be more comfortable.
Uh, Correct, correct.
I think Samvedana publication. I think I will recommend to them.
So you will recommend. So what do you think? If you would have joined any test series, would you have got a good score, good rank?
Yeah, I think I would have got like within 20 or top 20 or 30
Hmm?
because yeah, uh, because I never attended any test series. Like I even never even tested myself. Like I went, like I just practiced the previous year question papers, then I went to the test. Yeah,
Hmm.
then I followed some revision methods and nothing else. So I think if I joined my joined if I joined any test series, I would have scored very good marks.
Oh, that. So the next question is like, do you prefer some standard books like Klebner and Colin Kaye for mechanics, Arthur Weiser, or we say Zetley for quantum mechanics? These standard books for different topics for their theory part.
Yeah, I recommend those. In fact, what I did was for theory part, I followed for mechanics. I followed Introduction to Mechanics by Kepler and Kolonkow. For electricity and magnetism, I followed Griffith. For quantum mechanics, I didn't follow like I followed. I didn't follow any like major books like Zetterly or something because BS level you wouldn't be having that much quantum mechanics.
Mhm.
So for that, I followed Modern Physics by Arthur Weiser for quantum mechanics.
And you
Yeah, for
practice.
mathematics, I followed Mary Elbos. I think that is a very good book.
Mhm. And you practice the questions from the same books.
Yes, yeah. I practiced all the examples and uh, yeah, but you shouldn't like you shouldn't spend that much time in that theory part. That's the thing. Like you
Mhm.
should know you should spend more time on the previous year questions rather than theory part.
So, Satish, will you recommend these standard books for all the aspirants in these last 2 or 2.5 months to revise the theory part?
You shouldn't do that in the last 2 months. Never do that. That is very wrong. You cannot finish like even 2 chapters or 3 chapters in the last 2 months. You should like skim through the theory part because you already studied the things in like your semester time, right?
Mhm.
So if you skim through the theory part, then if you solve the questions, that is enough. And you should I would not recommend to them.
So my question is like how to revise effectively? This is the common question that everyone asks. So do you have any special strategies in your mind like that you have followed in this last 2 months for the preparation? So,
What I did was, first I will finish in this way the whole topic, classical mechanics and quantum mechanics. Then after finishing each topic, I will revise very carefully. I'll go through each problem. I will revise. I will recall everything, and I will solve it myself. Then I will go to other topic. Like in the last 15 days, I will reach each and every topic,
Mhm.
like classical mechanics, quantum mechanics, everything. Like then I will go through a previous year question papers like JAM 2015, 2016, like that. Yeah, because you can revise at least in 4 days all the topics. Like if you have studied very well. Then in the last 10 days, you can just go through JAM 2015, 2016, and the question papers.
Mhm. So for those students who are following test series, for them, my suggestion for your uh, effective revision is you just have to follow the test series. Like in this month, if you are following the unit test, so just make a timetable. Like in this week, you will be going to appearing three tests for EMT mechanics, mathematical thermo, and whatever subjects that you like. Just revise those according to your planning that you have planned for this week, and do it seriously so that you won't be missing any tests, like if unit test, major test, or minor test. Then at the end of the test series, whole test series, you will be observing that you have revised all the things, and you will be having a good conceptual knowledge too. Like you can easily think about the questions. If you follow this technique, then I'm sure that at the end of January, you will be feeling more confident about the exam. And I think everyone who got selected in some IITs, whether it is IIT Bombay or IIT Jodhpur or whatever, the newest IIT or older IIT, it doesn't matter. But everyone who got selected in some IIT, they have felt that JAM exam was very easy, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Everyone will say, yeah, it is very easy.
Like we were scared too much compared to the JAM exam, but after the exam, everyone was like, "Yeah, it was very easy. Why were we feeling like that?" No.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
My question is, Satish, do you agree that we don't have to prepare 100% syllabus to getting into an IIT, a good IIT like the top IITs?
Don't say that everyone should prepare 100% syllabus. Like even I didn't prepare 100% syllabus. Like I left statistical mechanics and some parts from electronics, then modern physics. What I
Mhm.
did was I focused mainly on mechanics, electricity, magnetism, and thermodynamics, but I didn't study statistical mechanics
Mhm.
in thermodynamics. Uh, yeah. Then I went through modern physics. Then even in modern physics, I didn't cover some topics. So yeah, even I got with that I got a 152 rank. I think yeah, I think so. Covering 100% syllabus is not at all mandatory. You can just skip some parts which you find difficult.
Mhm. So, like the main question is, and this is the last question, and then we'll wrap up. Like, how many questions did you appear in the exam, and how many of them got you got negative marks? You did mistakes.
So Anand, what I wrote was I wrote up to 70 marks, but
Mhm.
I got about minus 3.5 negative marks. Like I got 3.5 negative marks, and I got about 57 marks in total. So you can see that like about 6 or 7 questions I got wrong, and
Mhm.
and also got the marks I expected from numericals. Some of the numericals I didn't get it. I wrote them wrong. I would say that not everyone should complete all the questions because we will not be able to do it, and we will score more negative marks. I think we
Mhm.
should only attend what are the things we know confidently, and we should stick with that only.
Okay. Oh, so that was some nice session with you, Satish, and thank you for giving us your time and guiding all the aspirants. I hope so. Everyone have got something from this discussion, and I'll be looking for more sessions with you and all of my classmates who are with me to guide all the aspirants. So thank you so much, Satish.
Thank you, Anand. Thank you. Nice meeting everyone. Thank you. Thank you, Anand.
Okay, bye bye, Satish.
Bye bye.